Hey guys, it is Saturday and it's a new vlog. Yes, it's Saturday. Listen, yo, I just decided that I'm gonna start off the vlog right now. Even though you see me undressed, and I'm not really undressed because I have on thermal suit underneath. But the thing is, I'm supposed to go back to work, but I have like 2 hours. So I just gotta relax and I don't want my uniform to mess up, and then inside kinda hot. Outside is not so cold like the last few days. It is cold but not so cold. So that's the good thing. So yeah, welcome to a new vlog. Yes, I hope you liked a day in my life vlog. Uh, I am V-La-Nessa. If you don't know, I do vlogs and it's mainly surrounded around H2B because I'm on the H2B program and I do like things that I like to do. So if I go anywhere, I would do a vlog about that and just work in general, talking about work, talking about the stress of being on the H2B program. So if you're new here, just subscribe, right? If you want to follow on my journey, because guess what, I'm not going to be on the H2B program for long. I'm not going to be on the H2B program for long because it is a struggle. Let me tell you, it is worth it, but it is a struggle. I want stability. I need to have a family now. You understand? Yeah. So welcome to the vlog. For all the OGs, all my VPs, you share the video yet? You share it? Remember, you need to share it with your brother, uncle, neighbor, niece, cousin, sister-in-law. You know, all those people, share the video, like it. For all those that are new, subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so that you can be notified whenever I release a video, because guess what? Your girl is vlogging every week. Every week. Every week. Sometimes 2 times for the week. And then January, I want to do a daily vlog, but I'm not gonna push it because January is gonna be packed with a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna see if I can do at least 3 videos for the week, but I'm gonna push for a daily vlog. Okay, so stick around and stay for the craziness. I worked in the Hummingbird today. And normally when I work in the Hummingbird for lunch, I normally finish at 2. Not entirely, but like finish because the next team come in at 2 and it doesn't make sense to stop because lunch is from 11:30 to 2 and then light fare is from 2 to 6 and then dinner is from 6 to 10 or 9. I think 9 o'clock. So when the people coming at 2, it doesn't make sense we stay there, so we just leave as much as we are scheduled for X amount. And then I have dinner shift tonight, so I just came home because I got a ride. I came home to get something to eat and just relax until 4:30. So that's what I'm gonna do. Luckily yesterday I cooked, so I have chicken and rice and corn to eat for my lunch. I don't have anything to drink, so it's gonna force me to drink water. Yeah, so I'm gonna drink some water. I'm gonna watch maybe a movie, or just watch some vlogs, because it's Vlogmas. Everybody's doing Vlogmas, so I'm gonna watch that. I also released my video today, so I'm gonna reply to some comments, and then I'm gonna see if I can work on the daily vlog that I want to release tomorrow. So the reason why I started off earlier to say I hope you enjoyed the daily vlog is because I know that you're going to get it before this. So I'm going to work on it so that you can get it tomorrow or Monday, okay? I always said that I want to do like a vision board and I never really do it. So I'm also trying to do a vision board. I'm using Canva, and I just want something to see if it actually works because I never really do it. I just know that next year I want to accomplish this, and then things just happen whenever. But I don't have anything to say concrete to say, all right, this is what I put on my vision board. I prayed over it and this is what happened. So I'm going to definitely do that. So right now I'm at 5,000. So I want it like in the middle of the year to go to at least 10,000, and then probably by the end of the year it's 15,000. So I'm putting it between 10 to 15 for by the end of the year. I also want to start reading. I need to connect more with God because since coming on the program, I kind of fell off. You understand? So if you're a Christian, the program It's not a better, you have to be strong, because not many churches around over here, especially if you go somewhere like in the country, it's going to be very hard. Not only that, if you're working with a company that demands people to work on weekends, you're going to be working, and then you're going to find out that yes, you still have your principles, but you're going to find out that you're not praying as how you used to pray. Sometimes you're not even going to God first. You understand? You rely on yourself a lot. So that, I also want to save more. I want to go to the gym. I want to make more content. I want to connect with people. I'm going to put in that I want like a very secure relationship. If I even get engaged next year, I want to save more money. So I want to put a lot of stuff on my vision board and just tick them off as I go. And I'm even going to put like a checkbox to know when them come and just when it's happening. You understand? VPs, you realize that I have not yet celebrated the 5K. I'm going to do that next week, definitely, because next week I don't have a lot of shifts. I have all my mornings off, so I can probably come home in the night and just burn it out with you guys, or do it in the morning before work, because I only have one lunch shift next week, which I don't mind, because sometimes I really just want to stay home, and then the lunch shift doesn't even make any sense sometimes. So I'm glad about that. Not only that, the barrels are still here. The man that is supposed to pick up the barrel said that he's coming today, but I'll be at work. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave my door open so that he can come in. I need to sit down on the barrel and see if I can close it before he comes. But I wrote up everything and all that. Another thing, I planning to see if I can rent a car for next week, being that I have most of my mornings off and I have 2 days off, and you never know, I might just get an extra days off, because normally when it's slow they tell us to stay home for like a dinner shift. So I'm going to see if I can rent a vehicle. Somebody I already talked to someone to bring me to the place, and he said that he will bring me for free the next time I can buy him food. But the thing is, I like to pay things forward. So if he even bring me to get the stuff, we can probably go and get food and I buy him lunch. So that is that. I understand that you're using your gas and all those stuff. Like, I'm not that kind of person. I'm not looking for a free ride. And I understand that you probably want to do me a favor, but me no say yo, things expensive. Alright, so that's that. So I'm gonna see if I can get a car on E-Enterprise and take it for a week and do things next week so that the vlog can be more entertaining. Today is Sunday and I went to work and it was slow. There was actually 14 on the books and then a 9 top walking, but obviously I didn't get that because I started work late, and they do rotation and then they do it based on who came in first. I came in last, so obviously I would get the last table. When the other tables came, it was my turn, and I said to the host, and I was like, I'm trying to get cut, don't see me. And I went to the manager and she didn't want to cut me because she said that someone else had asked. And then I went to the person who had asked and I said, hey, would you want to stay and make some money while I leave? And he was like, okay. So I got lucky, I guess. That's what my manager said, but I said no, it's not lucky, it's blessed. Many people may say, why are you leaving? Don't you want to make the money? Like, it's extremely slow. When it's slow, my brain is slow. And when my brain is slow, I do a lot of mistakes. So I would rather be home and doing something more productive, like probably editing or planning out my week, or even trying to do things that I am supposed to be doing. But yeah, I'm going home and I'm using my phone, so that's why I see it kind of stay like that. I'm going home and I am seeing if I could probably go to the Chinese restaurant, the Chinese place, to see if I can get something to eat, because I feel like Chinese food. And that. Yeah. Even though I'm going home, I could have cooked, but I don't have the vibes to cook. Not only that, I'm coming back this evening. My hand is hurting me, so I'm gonna catch up back with you when I reach it. So here is the Asian house grill. It is open. I'm gonna go in there. Lunch is between 11 to 3. Dinner. So let's see what's on the menu. Close on Wednesday. I got the Happy Family, and in the Happy Family, I have shrimp beef, mushroom, scallops. But I told them that I don't want no scallops and I don't want no mushrooms because I don't like those stuff. So I asked for more chicken, so that's what I got. And brown rice is for 30 $34, and then I tip $6, so that comes to $44. So that's that. I didn't even know that they have an outside seating. They said that it's gonna take 10 minutes, so I just came out here to just sit and just wait on the food. It's not that busy because today is Sunday. Not many places around here is busy because on Sunday most people check out and go back to their home. Now over the weekend we had a Christmas parade which was yesterday, so most of the people came in for that, and I wish I could have see it, but I was working. If I wasn't working now, then I would have came out and give you guys a view. But for most of the, alright, so the thing is, you see, they always schedule the strong servers to work on busy days. So when things are happening here, I'm always working. The Christmas lighting, working. The Christmas parade, working. Santa, working. This, they have a ice skating ring that I think I'm gonna do. The thing is, you see, if I had a car, I would have just went by myself because it's so cold to walk in the cold and go to the places. That's where my struggle is. So I'm just gonna see if I can rent the car for next week because next week I have more times on my hand, so I can probably like go out and show you the Christmas lighting. Well, not next week, this week. The Christmas lighting, go and skate, show you those little stuff. I give you a different scenery. And I even like the background. Everybody is telling me, oh, my hair look good. And how me look like a bad chick. It match my personality. What do you think? What do you think? Hmm? Yeah, so just out here, it's not so cold. Yesterday and today is not so cold. I just put on the sweater because in the night it get really chilly. The sun is out. Like if I can have this temperature throughout the whole year, I'll be happy. Maybe a little bit warmer, but the temperature is really good. Yeah. Guys, if you don't see me in my shirt, that means say I come to lay it down on you today. Listen, you see, many people hear me say I want to come off the H2B program. You don't understand why. Like, being on the program sometimes can be so stressful, yet it can be really great, especially when you meet some very great people. Let me tell you, this is not all bad. For the majority of the part, it is good, right? But if you're not strong, you will lose your mind, honestly. Before I go into what I want to tell you or to just vent about, let me just tell you that if you come on the HUB program, you can make money. If you come on the HUB program, you can get a lot of opportunities, meet a lot of people, you can get some great connections, and you can probably find the love of your life. And you learn skills. There's so many things that you can gain from this program. But on the other hand, this program is full of stress, especially when these people think that you're coming from your country and you're nobody. They don't understand that most of us have our degree. They don't understand that most of us has already been in managerial position. They don't understand that the only reason why we're here is because our country cannot pay us enough for us to maintain ourselves. Now, I'm here. I went to work. I didn't want to go to work. If I did follow my mind, I would have stayed home. I was going to email someone and I was going to say, like, listen, do you need me at work? And it's either that or I was going to say that I'm sick and I'm feeling good. But when I thought of it, I was like, you know what? I want to work dinner because at least I can make $100. Even if me don't make a lot, I can make $100. And I said, if I call out, they probably tell me to stay home for dinner. And I said, if I said I'm sick, they probably say, oh, you can stay home for dinner because if you're sick, that means you cannot come in for dinner. So I pushed and I went in. When I went in, they only have two reservations, two tables. When I went there, I was like, like, you guys could have just emailed me and tell me to stay home because the other people would have already been there and I would be like an extra server. You understand? They never do that. Anyway, I went there, I was doing the side work, doing everything because one thing with this place, side work could kill you. I was just there taking my merry time, doing the side works. Now first just I do what I have to do. I get about 3 tables. We had some walking, I got the tables, and a lot of people get them table, they make about $50. Fine, happy, woo. So my table was the first one there and the last one to leave. And if you had the last table, you have to vacuum. If you're the second to last, you have to wipe. So obviously I had to vacuum. So I went for the vacuum. If you know the vacuum is big. It's an industrial vacuum. The vacuum is bigger than from here to down here. Big, very big. So before I even went for the vacuum, I went to the manager and I was like, can I sweep because it was not busy? She was like, no. Me no cuss, me no fuss, me no say why, me no ask her, me no prolong the argument. I went for the vacuum and I was vacuuming, right? Start vacuuming, as I said, the vacuum is really big. So obviously the vacuum cannot fit in certain crevices and creases. So while I was vacuuming, I realized that there were some crumbs on the other places. And really and truly, like the vacuum just heavy. So I was like, you know what, if I can reach in the creases and then scoop them up with the broom, I probably not have to go way over this so and then go underneath this, like vacuum cannot reach. So I went for the broom. As I said, I started vacuuming. I went for the broom and I was going underneath the table because yesterday another manager said that he found it. Let me tell you, today is the 10th of December. Yesterday he found a pie that was from Thanksgiving.
I found a pecan pie under 3 and 3. No way. Wonder? Pecan pie was real. I was sitting in that lineup earlier. I was like, what is he doing? Did someone just draw? So I go over there and I reach under the table and it's a whole ass pecan pie. The whole one? Yeah, they had like a spoonful taken out of the top just to fill it.
That's the platter thing, the trio. So that means it's from Thanksgiving for real.
Yeah.
That was from Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving. How much weeks that's now? That's about going on to 2 weeks now, right? Thanksgiving, there's a pie underneath the table, which means that whoever is vacuuming, whoever is wiping, is not doing it properly. Now, me, using my time and energy, I went for the vacuum and I went for the broom and I was doing both. Now the same manager when I go to, I go say, oh, she don't want me to sweep. She don't want me to sweep. So I'm saying I am vacuuming, I am sweeping. I started to vacuum and I realized that I cannot reach under the creases, so I went for the broom. She was like, oh, the vacuum can reach, the vacuum can reach. I said, the vacuum cannot fit underneath the table, right? Because the one thing with me not going to make nobody walk over me. So she went there and she was showing me this. I was like, the thing, there's a nozzle on it that is kind of slim. That part is broken. So if you put it on it, it's going to come off, right? The other part, if you put it on it, it's going to suck the carpet, and it's going to be really difficult because every minute I suck up the carpet and you have to lay it down. So I don't really use that, right? The other thing is that the vacuum is for her father company. That is why she's defending the vacuum. Object, she's defending an object, right? So I was there, me and I go back and forth. We said, listen, I am vacuuming, I am sweeping. Is there an issue? I am the only one that is using her energy and time to do things properly. She was like, I know. Oh, how does this make sense? I'm trying to do something properly, to do it good. And you have an issue? Like, tell me how that makes sense. She raised her voice, me raise my voice at her too. Yes, she's the manager, but listen, the one thing you're not going to do, I'll calm me down. I know my rights. You understand? Then now she'll go back, go around the back, then come back and talk about over. Furthermore, you're cut for the dinner. Go home and cool off and don't come back for dinner. Tell me now. So me can call USCIS for name people here? Because technically, you're operating out of emotions. As a manager, you're not supposed to operate with emotions. I am doing something properly, and you have an issue with me doing something properly. Tell me if that makes sense. Tell me if that makes sense. So I said to her, like, listen, if I start vacuuming and the vacuum cannot reach, I'm not going over. because I told you I was doing both. I'm not going over. So in my vacuum, that is it. And if you cannot reach it, just not reaching. I'm not going to push back nothing or lift up nothing because, listen, I'm not no pitney yet. I'm not doing it. So I just vacuum wherever I need to vacuum. And if the vacuum don't reach it, it just don't reach. And I just left. And me just gonna, when we leave, me come here, when we reach here, and realize I left the key. Because my key is on my AirPods. You know, AirPods, my earbuds. And I left it at the whole stand to charge. And in the heat of the matter, I just didn't want to up and leave. I walk home in the rain, it is tearing. Right? I walked home in the rain, and when I reached, I realized that I don't have my key. I had to go upstairs and go borrow somebody car key and go for the key. In the midst of me going, I saw her bigger manager. I went to the manager and I was talking to him. But obviously, they're going to pick up for them own. And he was like, oh, it seems like it's a miscommunication and I must look out for my email to see if I should come in. I said, listen, I'm not going home to come back to work. That doesn't make any sense. I mean, say, even if you email me, I'm not coming. Because that doesn't make no sense. And then the same time, the other person come and start whatever, and tell the your side. And I said, look, I realize that you're using your managerial power on this. Oh, I'm the manager. Like, what? That's not how you go to... Like, they feel like just because we're here, we don't want to have no sense. We don't know nothing about management. We don't have any degree. Pity that they don't know that many of us is further than they are. And it's only because there is no money in Jamaica. Not many of us have our car. Many of us have our houses. Many of us have businesses back home, and then just I try to come make extra money over here. Many of us have our skills, our degree. Enough of them they're not even our passport. But yet still they want to call you down and make you feel like you're nobody. Like, that makes sense? Anyway, that is my 2 cents. I'm not saying that the place is a bad place, it's just that me and somebody just kick off and then just annoy me and pisses me off. And them always do it like, that don't make no sense. And this is not the only place that it happened. It happened in many, many, many other places. I'm just telling them, say, yo, be prepared. Be prepared. Because if you don't come over here and stand up strong, you drop down and go boof, honestly. They want to work you out, and then when they work you out, they want to take advantage of you. You have to be really strong to come on this program. As I said, it is a good program because you get to make your money, you get to make connections, you meet people, and you gain experience from the program. So, what are my 2 cents? Like, I am so annoyed. Well, I am home now. I'm off for the next 2 days. It's raining. So, I'm just going to watch some movies and answer to some comments because I posted my spend the day with me, like episode 2, something like that. So, if you don't watch it yet, go and watch it. And yeah, sorry for busting off your ears, but when it was a real level, you know. And when the girl upstairs was saying that I should just email the bigger manager, and I'm like, you know what, it's not worth it. I'm not going to be here for long anyways. So I said, it's not worth it. It don't worth it, honestly. It's not worth it. Like, it just piss me off sometimes. Anyway, peace. This is much later. It's actually about, what time is it? It's about 2:13. After the last clip, I had something to eat and I was watching some vlogs. I was just catching up on some vlogmas and I just knocked out. I knocked right out and then I got up about 9 o'clock. Now, I came home about, let's say, 3 o'clock, knocked out about 4:30 and got up back at 9 o'clock. Right now, I don't even feel like sleeping. So when I got up 9 o'clock, I actually got something to eat again and then I start editing. So this week vlog is actually edit to the point to the previous clip. And my phone telling me that it's raining. One thing with my phone I gotta show you say it's raining. You understand? You see the drips? You see the raindrop? You see it? Yeah, if it's snowing, it shows that it's snowing. And then the good thing about it, even though it's raining, the rain is not actually hitting on me. Like, if you look closely, you'll see that it's hitting on my skin and it bounces off. Like, This is why I love Android, and I don't care what nobody say. I love my Android. I love Samsung. I love my Samsung. So that is that. Uh, as I said, my phone today was raining, so I just opened the door and I went outside. I'm actually watching Alicia Kim Vlogmas. Someone recommended her last week on one of my vlogs. The funniest thing, I was actually watching her now. I was watching her, but I never really know her name like that. But I wasn't watching Vlogmas. I was watching her the other videos. So it's someone that I've been watching, but not like for a very long time. Well, I just want to show you outside. Outside, look. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but it is raining. It's raining very hard. And the thing about it raining and I'm inside, I don't know if it's raining. It's just so quiet. Like, I wish where I live in Jamaica was this quiet. Like, honestly, like, I love to hear the raindrops on the roof, but like my neighbor dog and all those stuff, I don't want to hear it. So I wish we had this soundproof system which I live. But yeah, just come to just update you. I'm in a better mood, right? I it's almost a Omega Red car. It's almost a Omega Red car. Guys, I don't feel the mood to rent no car this week. Not only that, I checked out the price and I was actually checking it to rent like for a week. And the reason why I was doing it for a week is because most people would be available uh, Wednesday, Tuesday. So the person who would be able to drop me off back um, is going to work when I want to bring out the car. So might as well I drop it off when he's not working. So he can follow me and then we drop off the car and then he pick me up. But because of that, I would have to extend it to 1 week. And when I check out the price, man, say it doesn't work. It not worth it. Not saying it not worth it, because it is worth it, but I'm just not have the money left to spend right now. That just seems like a waste, so I don't need to go anywhere. But then if it's not Christmas light, because it's not Christmas light already, right? And if anything, we can just go and go walk, right? Yeah. So that. I put down my name for the car tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it because it's now 2 o'clock and I normally wake up like 7 o'clock if I'm going to use the car so that I can have enough time. But I don't know, maybe I just stay back. I need to wash, I need to clean, I need to just cook and all those stuff. So I may just stay home and not go anywhere. So, hey guys, good morning. This morning I actually woke up early in the evening. I went to my bed late last night. I woke up early and I went back to bed. I went back to bed. I woke up 8 o'clock and then I went back to bed because I just like, I don't have work. I don't have nothing to do rather than clean and wash. And I'm not gonna go out. I just went back to bed. Yeah, and then I got up like after 12. The time is now, what time is it? I don't know, but it's like after 12. And I went to HR to go pick up some package. So one is from Shein and one is from Amazon. And this one is from my sister. So my sister bought me a Christmas gift and I'm just going to pull it. Why I don't wait until Christmas? Like every day is Christmas for me. Every day is Christmas for me. I don't have a Christmas tree to put it under. So I might as well I just open it from now. So I just want to say to my sister, thank you. So let me tell you how I got this now. I don't know what it is, but I don't know how it works. And I'm going to set it up and all this stuff. Somebody want to do a quick vid. I want to do an unboxing. Hold on, let me get my tripod and my phone because I want to do an unboxing. Let me see if I can do it properly. You know what? I'm going to do the unboxing first and then come back to you. What do you think? I could just set up the thing so that you guys can see the unboxing, and then I'll talk about it after. I'm gonna do that, okay? So sorry you're not gonna get my reaction to that, but I wanna do a unboxing just in case I can do a little reel or something, or even get commission because it's up on TikTok now. I can do that. So yeah, I'll check back with you when I finish, okay? Guys, it wasn't a struggle. No, sir, really need to get a studio. Anyhow, I'm just gonna show you what I actually got. So it is one of those projectors. Yay! I can watch movies on big screen. I'm gonna set it up soon and let you see how it looks. But yeah, this is the Gamer Ultra HD projector, and it basically come with Netflix, YouTube, App Store, application settings. Like everything is preloaded. It comes with a remote, and it also comes with a mouse. So this mouse, it seems shaky though. I don't know. It seems like something is broken in it. Oh, it's not broken. It's a thing that is supposed to connect to the projector. So it basically is like a Bluetooth device. Because I was like, what is that broken? And they don't give us any batteries, so I guess I have to buy batteries. I have to buy the AAA batteries, the small batteries, as you can see there. And even the remote, I have the option to have like a mouse thing. That's the button. It comes with the manual. It comes with the HMDI card. So say for instance you want to do gaming and so forth, you have this. If you want to connect your computer, you have this, and then you have the power plug. So yeah, I'm excited because whenever I go somewhere, like say for instance I go to a place that don't have a TV, I have my projector. So yeah, and I can connect this to my Bluetooth speaker. I just have a movie night. So I'm just looking where I could put it, because obviously in here kinda small. The only place I could put it is like probably right there, so or even like right here, so but it's not gonna give me the, or even in the ceiling. Oh yeah, I forgot. I can point it up to the ceiling and it auto adjusts to the area that is point at. So I am extremely happy. Yeah, it's extremely happy. And it has the screw thing underneath, so I can actually get a tripod and put it on it, and yeah, let it stay there, like mount it somewhere. So that. Thank you, Candy, for my gift. Yeah, Christmas, Merry Christmas to me. And then this is from Shein. I actually was trying a $200 thing, and I bought something for $10, but I think it was more than $10 for this. But I never get the $200 because I don't know how to do that. So I got this dress. Ooh. So it's like a floral dress thing. This you can wear go like on the beach or go somewhere. It seems like it's big, but let's see. I'm not going to try these on. You'll see me whenever I dress up. So go and follow me on my Instagram if you really want to see whenever I wear these stuff. And this is like a bucket hat. I don't have a plain jeans one, so I got one. As I said, I think I spent about less than $20 for sure, because I just wanted to get the $200 free thing. So this say prank winter. So yeah, this is kind of, yeah. My head small, feel big, but you know when you put on here, or when you hear loose out, yeah. And then what is this? This is, I think this is a two-piece. is a cross shoulder top with a shorts. Yeah, so that's that, and that's all I got. Anyway, I'm going to go and wash because nobody's washing now, and I don't want no one to go and take the space because I need to wash. So I'm going to bring everything up to that laundry room and wash. So I'll talk to you later when I shower everything. Guys, I literally just have to go back on the road because the projector, it doesn't come in the battery, and I want to try it out. So I went on the road to get batteries, and tell me why we get more than batteries. Well, the thing is, I need drinks, and I wanted tea. I wanted chocolate tea from the other day, so I bought the. I didn't want the candle because I have candle, but I want one to burn throughout the day, and I don't want to use that one. But I got my eucalyptus mint to burn while I clean and for the rest of the day. And not only that, I got crackers to eat with the tea. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and try out this thing to see if I like it. So I'll show you after I set it up. Good afternoon, guys. Today is Thursday and I don't feel well, like right here, so that's clogged up. It feels like I'm gonna get sick. I've been sneezing, but I did take DPH, not DPH, Dayquil. So hopefully that worked. I took it last night and I took some this morning. I'm here doing some research that can help both of us. And I'm cooking also. I'm cooking inside because some group of people come. I heard that they were in the kitchen last night. So I don't even waste my time on going to the kitchen because you know what that's there. Let me show you what I'm cooking though. Cooking fried chicken, and then I have the rice and peas to put in. I did curry chicken. So the reason why I do curry chicken is because I don't want to make no gravy. So fried chicken and curry chicken with rice and peas. And guys, it's not that long. Not that long, but we move. So I'm now gonna put on the rice. The peas cook and everything, but I'm gonna just put on the rice and just call it a day because me done. Honestly done. So I'm gonna take this pot of oil, put it outside so it can cool, and then throw away that, and then cook my rice and peas and add up the other meat, and then eat because I'm hungry. I'm not eat nothing really from morning. All I had was tea and crackers, and that's it. But I just come to update you on that. You feel clogged up, feel sick, feel like yeah, it's that time. Say hi to the vlog. The comments. Say hi to the vlog. Hi to the vlog. Yeah, big up on yourself. I'm unfavorited. Say hi to my sisters. Say hi to YouTube.
Hello, guys.
Say hi.
Leave Latoya live and come to my favorited, okay?
You hear that? The audacity. You still have your tax return video. Them, yeah, there it's up still. Guys, look, come over favorited.
Come and hear me sing.
You cannot sing. Oh yeah. Hi, Zion. Did you get the TV? Did you get the TV?
Yeah.
Hey, they mad, you know. Guys, come and follow me on favorited. That's where the vibes at now. That's where the vibes at. I understand that you don't want to download it and all these stuff, but that's where the vibes at. That's where the vibes at. If you're not on favorited, where you at? Hey. Alright guys, so it is Friday. Um feel sick. I'm going to work in about an hour and a half. I'm going to get ready. It outside look very bleaky. It look like it cold outside. I don't know, but it looks very bleaky. I was on favorited. I went live today, so if you catch my live, pick up yourself. Now I'm on favorited. I think I'm kind of like the app, but it's kind of boring. It's kind of limited to what TikTok have, but it's similar to TikTok. You cannot post on it. It's like a live stream thing, but you can't make money. So let me tell you, you can go over there, build up on a thing, play some games, and make some money. Not many people know about it, so if you go on it from now, can someone never tell you the plug? Go on it from now, and you can build up your followers and make a little extra money. You understand? Because once you start playing games just like TikTok, if people send you like universe and all them something there, you can make a little coins. Guys, don't watch me armpit too, because I'm just a girl. Yeah, but I just come to close off the vlog. Thank you for watching this video. I know it wasn't that entertaining, but I know you got a lot of me out of this vlog. Yeah, thank you for coming. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me and favorited, and if you follow me, I'll follow you back because it's a follow to follow. It's a follow to follow trend. So we're gonna do that and keep it entertaining over there. I was telling my live stream people that I'm coming back on January. I feel like I made us stay on that platform and do those stuff over there because I really don't want to be in the limelight where everybody is like on TikTok. Even though many people are over there, but my life will want to build from somewhere. You understand? And not only that, it's kind of fast to build your followers over there because many people are seeking the same things that will follow you. So just go over there, build a platform, and start somewhere fresh where not many people is there. You have 100,000 people, it's 100,000 million, something like that, that subscribe to the app. I think so. Is that 100,000 people or 100 million that subscribe to the app? So you know I know a whole heap of people there over there right now. So just subscribe to the app, follow who you have to follow, build up your platform. And for those who have social media, like who engage in social media, that's the right way to go right now because everybody going over there because people, that they want to ban TikTok. And right now, the Jamaicans are taking the app by storm. Royal Boss, Switch Lee, Able Boss, Ivani, the one of them in the ranking. So I just want to let you know that, and I'll catch you next week in my video. Thank you for watching. Big up yourself, my VPs, and for all the newcomers, welcome and thank you for stopping by. I love you long time. Bye.